What if I told you that you could make money online just by sharing your thoughts, your skills, or even your pet's weird habits, and you don't need a Hollywood camera crew or a million subscribers to do it? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, welcome to the world of being a YouTube content creator in 2025. Let's be real, most of us scroll through YouTube daily. We binge cooking tutorials we'll never try, full vlogs while eating ramen, and get sucked into endless rabbit holes of top 10 lists. But here's the kicker. While we are watching, someone else is getting paid. And not just pennies. Some creators are turning YouTube into a serious side hustle that covers rent, pays off debt, or even replaces their 9 to 5. Now, you might be thinking, cool, but I'm not a tech genius or a comedian. What could I possibly post? Don't worry, you don't need to juggle flaming swords or have a $5,000 camera setup. What you do need are smart strategies, consistency, and a roadmap. And that's exactly what this video is. I'm going to show you 8 powerful tips to kickstart your YouTube side hustle, even if you're starting with 0 subscribers today. By the end, you'll know how to pick a niche, grow your channel, and actually turn views into income. So grab your coffee, or let's be real, your third energy drink, and let's dive in. Tip 1. Start small, but start smart. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make: waiting for the perfect setup. They think they need a $1,500 camera, studio lights, and a full editing team before posting. Nope. You can literally start with your smartphone. What matters more is clarity of your niche. Think of it like opening a restaurant. You wouldn't put sushi, pizza, and tacos all on the same menu. It confuses customers. Same with YouTube. Pick one theme. Are you into personal finance, fitness hacks, gaming, side hustles like this? Viewers need to know what to expect. Pro tip. Don't try to be for everyone. The tighter your niche, the faster you'll grow. Remember, start small, but start smart. Tip 2. The power of consistency over perfection. Here's a truth bomb. Your first 10 videos will probably suck. Mine did. And that's okay. Perfection is a trap. The algorithm doesn't reward the perfect creator, it rewards the consistent one. Think of YouTube like going to the gym. If you only go once a month but spend 3 hours, you won't see progress. But if you go 3 times a week, even for 30 minutes, results stack up. Same with uploading. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, pick a schedule and stick to it. Because guess what? People don't just subscribe to content, they subscribe to reliability. Tip 3. Titles and thumbnails is equal to your storefront. Imagine you're walking down a street of restaurants. Which one do you walk into? The one with the bright, appetizing sign. Your YouTube title and thumbnail are exactly that. Most beginners spend hours perfecting their video, then slap on a boring title like My Morning Routine. Guess what? Nobody clicks that. Instead, use curiosity and benefit-driven titles. Example, 5 morning habits that doubled my productivity. And thumbnails? They don't need to be Hollywood posters, but they do need to stand out. Use bold text, expressive faces, or intriguing visuals. Remember, if no one clicks, no one watches. Tip 4. Watch time is king. Here's something most creators don't realize. YouTube doesn't care about views, it cares about how long people watch. That's why watch time is your new best friend. So, how do you boost it? Hook viewers early. Don't spend 2 minutes saying, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel." Get to the point. Use storytelling, patterns, and teasers. Example. In tip number 7, I'll share the strategy that tripled my subscribers in 30 days. Don't miss it. That keeps people glued. Think of your video like a Netflix episode. Each scene should leave viewers curious about what comes next. Tip 5. Leverage shorts for quick growth. Here's the cheat code of 2025. YouTube Shorts. They're like TikToks, but with built-in monetization and insane reach. Shorts can rack up thousands of views even if you're brand new. Use Shorts for bite-sized tips, quick tutorials, or entertaining clips. Then funnel that traffic to your longer videos, where you actually make money through ads and deeper engagement. It's like free advertising inside YouTube itself. And if you ignore Shorts in 2025, you're basically leaving money on the table. Tip 6. Monetization beyond ads. Let's be real. YouTube ad revenue is nice, but unless you're pulling millions of views, it won't cover your rent. The real money comes from multiple streams. 1. Affiliate links in your description. 2. Sponsorships and brand deals. 3. Selling digital products or courses. 4. Even Patreon memberships for loyal fans. Think of ads as your side dish, not the main course. The goal is to build a brand around your channel so you're not just at the mercy of YouTube's algorithm. Tip 7. Engage like you're at a party. Ever been to a party where someone talks only about themselves? Boring, right? YouTube is the same. Don't just post and ghost engage. Reply to comments, ask viewers questions, and run polls. This does two things. First, it signals to YouTube that your channel is active. Second, it builds a community, and communities stick around. When viewers feel heard, they don't just watch, they become fans, so treat your channel less like a billboard and more like a conversation. Tip 8. Analytics are your treasure map. Here's where most creators miss out. They never check their analytics. But your analytics are basically YouTube whispering the secrets of success. Which videos get the most clicks? Which ones hold attention the longest? Which thumbnails bombed? These aren't just numbers, they're clues. Double down on what works, tweak what doesn't. Think of it like being a detective in your own business. The answers are all there, you just need to look. Tip 9. Play the long game. Here's the final mindset shift. YouTube is not a scratch-off lottery ticket, it's a slow cooker. It takes time to heat up, but once it does, it feeds you for years. That one video you upload today, it could bring you views and income a year from now. Unlike TikTok trends that vanish overnight, YouTube is a long-term asset. So be patient, be consistent, and remember, your side hustle today could be your main hustle tomorrow. Tip 10. Repurpose your content everywhere. Here's the secret sauce most creators overlook: repurposing. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you post. That 10-minute YouTube video you worked so hard on, slice it into 30-second clips for Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Pull key quotes and turn them into tweets or LinkedIn posts. Even republish your script as a blog for SEO traffic. Why does this matter? Because different people hang out on different platforms. Some love scrolling TikTok, others are YouTube loyalists, and some stumble on your blog through Google. Repurposing lets you reach all of them without creating 10 times the work. Think of it like leftovers you cooked once, but now you've got meals for days. Smart creators multiply their content, and that's how you grow faster without burning out. So, let's recap. You don't need fancy gear or a million ideas. You need focus. Start with a clear niche, post consistently, design clickable titles and thumbnails, and respect watch time. Use Shorts to grow fast, monetize beyond ads, and engage with your community. Then let analytics guide your strategy as you play the long game. Now here's the exciting part. You've just gone from maybe I could try YouTube one day to knowing exactly how to start your YouTube side hustle today. Imagine 1 year from now, your channel has grown, you're making side income, and your content is working for you while you sleep. So let me ask, what kind of YouTube channel would you start? Gaming? Finance? Lifestyle? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your ideas. If this video gave you value, smash that like button. Subscribe for more side hustle guides and share it with a friend who's been talking about starting a channel but hasn't taken the leap yet. And don't miss the next video. Online tutoring. Teach and earn remotely. If you've ever thought about using your knowledge, whether it's math, music, or Minecraft, to earn online, that video is going to open your eyes. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting. And remember, YouTube isn't just entertainment. It can be your ticket to financial freedom.